Hey guys, so this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I was actually sent this camera by the DJI to have a review on this camera, and then I did ask them whether I should keep it afterwards, and they said why not. So I was given for free, review it, then I'm gonna keep it. Also guys, before you do that, just take a second to subscribe to my channel. I haven't done any video for a while now because of some personal stuff, and also the weather has always been shitty in this country or wherever I am now. Alright, let's take this drone up and see what sort of footages we can get out of it, because the sun is gonna go down very, very soon and we don't have any time. And that's it, guys. I hope you did find those footages somewhat usable, and also tell me what you think about the footages, because I do think they are very, very good. And as I said, I'll leave the link to this drone in the description section. If you want to grab it, click the link below and get yours. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, do that, because I really want you to be part of this community. I love you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.